I forgot to pay good attention how the water is coming, and I was working on internet and now I discovered that there is water coming inside the cave more than usual, and some of my things got wet. I didn't cover them because I didn't think it's gonna get into the cave. Even with heavy rain it doesn't drop water inside the cave, but apparently there is a heavy water diversion out there more than with the rain. So now I got to dry my things. It's unusual, this is not normal that here is so much water. Usually it's on the other side. So now I covered my things, but I got no, I noticed it a bit late. Anyway, it's not a disaster, just some things got wet. Nothing terrible.